About 7 months ago, I sent an $8,000 proposal to a potential customer for the restripe of their shopping center. After a week went by, they told me that they actually had found a cheaper option and that they decided to go with them. I was out on the job site the other day doing some parking lot striping for a customer when I get a call from this company asking me when I was intending on coming back out to finish up the project because some of the tenants were complaining that it wasn't yet completed. And in this video, I'm going to mention some specific reasons why a cheaper price isn't always a better option. So stick around until the end of this video to find out what I told them after they called me back out. But before we get into that, I wanted to say that 3 people that watch these videos will be winning free access to our new course, How to Stripe. So if you guys are interested in learning more about parking lot striping, but aren't sure about what paint to use, the equipment you need, or how much to charge for parking lot striping jobs, check out How to Stripe. It'll be the first link in the comment section and description. I've partnered up with Forever Self-Employed to develop a striping course that will give you the secrets to success and getting started. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, check out the links below and enter in to win. Why isn't the cheaper price always the best option? Well, when contractors continually offer the cheapest price, they don't just cheapen the job, they cheapen the market. I talk to a lot of people about parking lot striping, and a general commonality that I encounter is that people are always trying to give their potential customers the cheapest price. And I was talking to someone the other day and they said, I'm trying to offer the cheapest price. And I said to them, if you're willing to undercut someone else to give them the cheapest price, you better believe that someone else is willing to undercut you and give the customer a cheaper price. And what that does is it actually diminishes the overall quality of the market and the service-based industry. Because if everybody's offering the cheapest price, it diminishes the quality of the product. And if every contractor stopped trying to be the cheapest guy on the block and actually raised our prices, we would see a general increase in overall sales. Because you have to think about it. A commodity is worth whatever someone is willing to pay for it. Think about gas, for example. When gas is $2 a gallon, everybody's generally happy. They're paying for it, no problem. But when something negative takes place and gas shoots up to $3.79 a gallon, what are we doing? We're paying for it, because a commodity is worth whatever someone is willing to pay for it. If you have a company that has called 3 different contractors and all of those bid proposals are in a higher ballpark range to essentially service the location, that means that one of those 3 contractors is going to get the contract at a higher price. But if you have 3 different contractors all competing at a really low price, whoever gets the job, of course, is going to get it for the lowest price. And a lot of times, companies just go with the cheaper option. Secondly is knowing how much value it is that you actually provide to the market. My next response to people when we talk about pricing and how they try to undercut other people is, how much are you actually worth? So when someone is willing to drop their price from, say, 40 cents to 60 cents per linear foot to 15 cents to 35 cents per linear foot, to do such a drastic price break just for the sake of getting the job, that's my response. Like, how much are you actually worth? Because if you're worth 10 cents, then charge 10 cents. But if you're worth $1 per linear foot, then charge $1. And then that ultimately makes us ask the question, like, how much value do you actually provide your customers? Because if you're worth 10 cents, I can guarantee you that there's somebody out there that's willing to pay that cheaper price. And it might be better for you as it pertains to the job, but it's going to negatively affect the market. Now, my question is, us as the service provider, when are we going to stop trying to be the cheapest guy? When are we going to stop trying to be the cheapest person in the industry? And I believe when we do that, we will see an average increase of sales. Now, I told you in the beginning of the video that this was the second time that this company had called me and asked about the project. We lost the project because my bid was a couple $1,000s higher than my competitor. Well, this was actually the second time within a 6-month time period that these people have contacted me about when I was going to come out to the property to finish the job. And I told them the second time they called me when I was on the job site that I lost the bid because you guys said that you found a cheaper option. And I told them, you get what you pay for. You wanted a cheaper rate, and that's what you got. And that's why you hired someone that came out, hasn't finished the job. It's been 6 months since they started. They still haven't completed it, and now your tenants are complaining. You get what you pay for. And then after that, I said, go ahead and give me the owner's number. He contacted me in the very beginning, and he was the one that said he decided to call someone else. So I called the owner up. Of course, he didn't answer, and I left him a voicemail saying the same thing. And I said, when you're ready to hire a contractor that's going to get the job done, I'll be here and you can call me. Until then, you get what you pay for. If you made it this far in the video, leave a comment down in the comment section below saying you get what you pay for. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.